Test your credit knowledge. What is the first step you should take if you find errors on your credit report? B. Dispute the errors with the credit bureau. What is the importance of having a diverse credit mix? C. It shows lenders that you can responsibly manage different types of credit. How often should you check your credit report? A. At least once a year, but preferably more often. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. Visit www.creditmoneymachine.com for automatic credit repair solution.